A message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Highland Hills to near Solon to near Macedonia, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations and passes include Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Lawrenceville Heights, Macedonia, South Russell, Middlefield, Garrettsville, Burton, Highland Hills, Manaway, Stowe, Maple Heights, Aurora, Brecksville, Bedford, and Bedford Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, and Summit.
These body breaks. That's a no-go on halftime. Plan. However you fan, get more with Geico. Ref, how about a timeout for not-so-tots?
My schedule's pretty jam-packed these days. I've got 2. We know 3 birthday parties on Saturday, and Sunday, that